Okay, today I'm going to show you how to fix a chair like this with a clean break in it. So if there's a rough break or if you've got splinters, sometimes it can be a little more tricky, but lots of times it breaks right with the grain like this, and this is an easy fix. So today I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to need some glue, a wet rag, and some furniture clamps. So if you think this is going to help you, please like it. Also share the video and comment below, and we'll show you how to get it done. Alright, first thing we want to do is get some glue on the joint here. Now it's important to get glue on both of the surfaces. I've got this little artist brush that I'm going to use to make sure that the glue is on both sides. Sometimes this can get a little messy, but it's worth it to get glue right where you need it. Alright, so I've got glue on everything now. We're going to take our clamps and clamp up the joint. Now these are furniture clamps. They've got plastic protective boots on them. They will work fine with this oak seat that we have here. Oak is very hard. Don't think we're going to have any trouble with denting, but if you have a real soft wood or if you have a rough clamp, make sure you put protection against the clamp so that it doesn't mar the wood finish or dent the wood on you. Now one thing I'm doing here is I'm making sure that my seat is actually lined up. If there's a little jog there, we need to get that straight so that it seats together and it ends up with a clean job when you're done. Now you can snug up your clamps pretty well, but it is possible to squeeze clamps too tight, so you don't want to be excessive. Don't put pliers on it and crank it like crazy, because you will squeeze too much glue out at a point. But for most of us who aren't going to be doing all that, nice and tight is good. Okay, I'm going to spend a little time and make sure I've got all the glue wiped off of here. Once this dries, I'll show you how you can sit on it and it won't break. Alright, I've taken the chair out of the clamps and did a little sanding on here. We're going to paint these chairs, so I'm not too worried about it. I've sanded a little pretty heavily here. But if you're not going to paint those, you might want to be a little more careful there and try to just pick off the glue and maybe hit it with some fine steel wool or something. But in our case, we're in pretty good shape. So now that we have the clamps off, I want to show you that I can sit on here and it's fine. And also, I can sit on here with my granddaughter, Molly, and my daughter, Becca. We can all sit on here and it doesn't break. So if you are catching this video somewhere else other than YouTube, run on over and check out our YouTube channel and look at all our videos that we have for home repair and how to. If you're on YouTube, please subscribe to us. If you subscribe, then you'll get notified when we release more videos, and that might help you to help learn a new skill. Also share this video, because that way others can find it that wouldn't normally be able to find it. So, all right, I hope this helps you to enjoy your family like I enjoy mine and bring your family home.